Okay, if you're watching this video, you should be using the compare and contrast graphic organizer. If not, find the other video. So today we're going to talk about how to organize your body paragraphs and what you should include in each body paragraph. So body paragraphs are like containers. And when we use containers, they often are only supposed to carry specific things. Just like in our classroom, we have our notebook boxes, and they only contain notebooks. If you were to turn an assignment in a notebook box, I wouldn't grade it because that's not where it goes, right? Well, how do we know what to put in our body paragraphs or our boxes? Well, that's where topic sentences come in. Topic sentences are like labels for the boxes. So today we're going to talk about how you can use your graphic organizer to help you to come up with your topic sentences. So I'm going to show you my graphic organizer for my compare and contrast essay. So I decided to do Chick-fil-A versus Raising Cane's. And my research question is right up here. I'll see if I can move this so you can see it a little bit better. Why does Chick-fil-A make more money than Cane's? Now, a lot of this information I made it up as an example, so don't take any of this too seriously, okay? So, Chick-fil-A, Raising Cane's, and I've got different features, similar features, different features. So, closed on Sunday, more efficient lines, cow mascot, breakfast menu, more items, established in 1946. Cane sauce, curly fries, chicken tenders, dog mascot, not as efficient, less stores, not worth as much, established in 1996. Chicken, fries, sauce, animals, mascots, long lines, small menu, similar prices. Though technically, they don't really, I think Chick-fil-A is a long menu. But, and then my conclusion. So this is what your graphic organizer should kind of look like. So if I'm doing a compare and contrast graphic organizer, I'm going to want to compare, I'm going to want my topic sentences in my body paragraphs to relate to what I am, or to help my reader understand why I came to the conclusion I made, right? So I found that Chick-fil-A makes more money because it is more efficient and has greater variety and has been around for more longer, okay? So the efficiency, the greater variety, and it being around for longer. So if those are the things that I'm noticing, then those are the things I should be comparing, right? And then talking about maybe why that might affect the money that they make. So, for example, I'm looking at my differences and similarities. And I'm saying, okay, let's start with when they were established, okay? This is a stark difference. Does that make a difference, right? So in my research, I've already made that conclusion. So your conclusion really should guide your topic sentences, right? So my conclusion is going to guide my topic sentence. Already, I know that I should have a whole paragraph that talks about how Chick-fil-A is more efficient for Raising Cane's, and that's what allows them to make more money. So on a sheet of paper, on your document, I want you to write these topic sentences out. So I might say, Chick-fil-A is more efficient than Raising Cane's at getting customers, or than Raising Cane at feeding customers. Or I might even say one of the reasons why Chick-fil-A is more efficient than Raising Cane's at feeding customers is because they is more, wow, sorry guys. Okay, one of the reasons why Chick-fil-A makes more than Raising Cane's is because they are more efficient at feeding customers. Okay. I forgot the money part. I'm sorry. So, do you see how first I added my question into my topic sentence, right? So, I'm trying to answer my question. One of the reasons why Chick-fil-A makes more money than Raising Cane's is, and then I have a focus of my paragraph. So, everything is going to be about how Chick-fil-A is more efficient and how they get things out to customers, and that leads to more money. Okay? Looking at my conclusion again, okay, efficient, they have great variety. So another reason why Chick-fil-A makes more money than Raising Cane's is because they have a wider variety of menu items, specifically a breakfast menu. Especially a breakfast menu. Or I would say specifically, honestly. But, okay. And then my last one. Maybe I'm going to try to change up my wording a little bit. Chick-fil-A makes more money because they've been around longer. They've been around longer. And that might be my... So, each of these are going to... Now, these are going to start my paragraphs, right? So, I'm going to have one paragraph about their efficiency, another paragraph about their breakfast menu, and I'm going to have another paragraph about them being around longer. So they've had more time to build more stores and all of those different things, right? So, say that you don't have all these nice things in your conclusion like I do. You'll have to look at your different and similar features, right? Even looking at my different and similar features, one thing that I mentioned in both of their different features is they start at different times, right? Not as efficient. See if you can find things that you could write a whole paragraph on. And as you're looking, I want you to remember these 3 questions, okay? The first one, is it a broad topic but different from the others? Question 2, am I going to have enough information to write about? And then question 3, is an important or main point? So make sure you consider all those things as you write your own topic sentences. You do not have to write 3 body paragraphs. You can have 4, you can have 5. That is up to you and the information that you have. So figure that out. As you look at your graphic organizer, do you have lots of things to support your conclusion? Should you just talk about a few things that support your conclusion? So now I want you to go and write those